All right, friends, here we go. This is a big one. Let's get after it here. We got the Waterproof Reboot. Waterproof Reboot. All right, here we go. We have 3 circles, and they're given scale factors. So going from A to B, it's scaled up by 1.6. And then going from B to C, it's scaled up by another 1.2. All right? So we kind of need to work our way across to get all the way to C. Now C, to get all the way to C, you would scale up by 1.6, and then you would scale up by 1.2, so you would apply it twice. Let's not worry about that right now. Let's just get to B. All right, let's fill out B's stuff, and then we'll see if we can get to C eventually. All right, here we go. 1 circles enlarged, scale factors given. All right, so some circle formulas. Remember, the diameter is 2 radii, circumference is the diameter times pi, and area is pi r squared. Okay, so what do we got to find here? Circle A has a radius of 16 millimeters. Okay, so I'm going to write that down. So I'm going to go R, D, R. I mean, anytime I do circles, I always do stuff like this. R, D. Okay, so if the radius is 16, the diameter is double. I don't know if I really need the diameter of the green circle. Okay. All right, so radius and diameter. So let's scale them up. So times 1.6. So here we go. 16 scaled up by 1.6 is going to be 25.6. Diameter is double. So you're going to be 51.2. Okay. Then I got to scale the 25.6 by 1.2. So 25.6 times 1.2 is going to get me to 30.72. Now, it doesn't say anything about rounding. No. Round all answers to the nearest tenth. I'm going to wait until I actually find the things I'm looking for, and then I'm going to round all the way at the end. So I'm going to have as many decimals as I can. I'm going to wait till I actually write down my answers to round when I need to. So use as many decimals as needed, and then round at the end. 61.44. Okay. So this would be my advice. I would try to find the radius and the diameters of all of the pieces. And probably the easiest thing to do is just find all the radiuses, radii. So take it times 1.6, double it. And then take that dude times 1.2, and then double it. So you kind of have most of the things you need already. It wants the radius of circle B. Okay, already got you. You were the first thing I found. 25.6. Excuse me. Second thing I found because I doubled the diameter, all right? And then I need circle C's diameter. Ooh, I found that. That's 61.44. Now I better round because it says so. Round all answers nearest tenth. So I should say 61.4. Okay, even though I had 4, I'm just going to write it all out and then round it at the absolute very end of my math. Okay, here's the tricky part. I got to find, oh, whoops, oh, I totally screwed up. Oh, I totally screwed up. Look at this. Oh, centimeters. That's easy. 1 centimeter is 10 millimeters. So you ready for a fix? So it's actually going to be 6.1. And now this is the tenths place I need to round to. Oh, wow. Almost got me. Nice try. Yeah. So make sure you're careful. Read the directions. Centimeters. Okay. All right. Anyway, ooh, about caught myself. Good thing I had this stuff in red right here where I can see it. All right. What do I got? I got to find the area of the red dude. What's the area formula? Area is pi r squared. Good thing I found the radius. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to go pi times 25.6 squared. All right, Mr. Calculator, help me out with that, please. Pi, if you know where the pi symbol is, it's right above the division sign. It goes with the caret button, or the power button. So 25.6 squared, pi r squared. Send it. 2058, nearest tenth, 2058.9. You're going to round to a 9. So we have 2058.9. Again, it's pi r squared, rounded to the nearest tenth. All right, last one. I got to find the circumference to the nearest centimeter. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do the diameter times pi and then change it to centimeters. So probably always do your conversions at the end. Okay. So how do you find circumference? Circumference is diameter times pi. So I'm going to go 61.44. Again, I use as many as I can to be as accurate, then I round later. times pi. All right. 61.44 times pi. Okay, that's going to be the centimeters. Excuse me, that's going to be the millimeters. That's going to be the centimeters. 19.3. Okay, cool. That's not too bad. All right, that's a good one. I like it. So kind of reboot all the way from the beginning. This is how I would attack it. I know this isn't written out, but this is what I would do. I would start with, you don't even need this guy. Nope, didn't need you. Okay. I don't think we didn't even need you. We didn't even need the diameter of the red one, but it doesn't matter. Okay. You are going to need the radius and the diameters to do most of the formulas, so I like to just go RD. Then make sure you're careful to be as most accurate as possible. Use as many decimals in the formulas. Notice I use as many as I could, and then don't round, and then don't convert all the way until the end. You want to be as accurate as possible. Now I'm curious, if I use 6.1 centimeters, and am I still going to get this in the centimeters? I hope I do, but that's the dangers of rounding too soon. Ooh, see that? Oh, perfect. Look at this. Excellent. So here's my rounded answer, 6.1 centimeters. If I use 6.1 centimeters to find the centimetered circumference, I'd be off a little bit. Look at that. That would be 9. I'd be off by 0.1. Not a big deal, but still, it kind of is, right? So to be most accurate, okay, use the most decimals, and then don't round until the end. All right, I'm wasting a lot of time on this one. This is a big one. That is the Waterproof Reboot.